When heating your sugar wax, always make sure to check it intermittently every 10 to 15 seconds to ensure that it is not overly heated. Before heating, the hard wax is unable to be scooped out of the jar using a wooden stick, and even using metal will be difficult. After the first round of heating, it stays pretty much the same. From the second round of heating onwards, the hard wax starts to get a little softer and more easily pushed around by a wooden stick. We are heating this hard wax on medium heat in the microwave, but choose the heat setting that works best for you. When checking on your hard wax after each round of heating, do make sure to poke around at the entire surface of the sugar wax. This is because during my trial and error, I realized that the wax in the middle of the jar gets softer more easily and quickly than those that are in contact with the jar. For example, this blob of sugar wax that I took out is from the middle of the jar. However, behind the scenes, I did not manage to scoop out the sugar wax that is at the parameters and that are in contact with the glass jar. The properties of the hard wax can change really fast. After this fifth set of heating, the hard wax still looks rather solid. But put it in for another 10 to 15 seconds, and then you'll start to see the consistency start to change like so. The hard wax now highly represents the firm wax in terms of its malleability and ability to spread. While it is warm and at this softness, you can use the applicator to directly apply it on your skin and do the flicking motion, similar to the cold ball method of hair removal. However, after letting it cool down to room temperature after a while, you may notice that your hard wax starts rolling onto itself and becomes more difficult to spread. Once it becomes cool enough to hold together as one piece, try to peel the sugar wax off as how you would with a large piece of sticker. This method is more suitable for the hot wax, but you may try using the hard wax as well. It is also the previous consistency that you would want to aim for if you would like to use the kneading and ball method. If you would like to use the ball method, take out how much you want to use and set it aside for a while. Once it starts firming up and is able to hold its own shape, then you can proceed with the kneading method. From here on, after each subsequent set of heating, the hard wax becomes more and more melty and will be suitable for use using the strip method rather than the ball method, because otherwise it will be too soft and runny to be kneaded. For your safety, please be careful after each round of heating to make sure that the jar and sugar wax is at a temperature that is safe to be used on your skin. Should any burns occur, cease usage immediately and run the affected area under water. The hard wax might harden up again and turn into a solid on contact with the cooler temperature water, and when that happens, flick it away. The rest of the video shows how the hard wax gets progressively more runny on the third and ninth time of heating in the microwave.